He gets what he deserves. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be picking up where we last left off with the Yotsuba manga. I'm going to be going over all the Japanese here as we go along, picking through all of this grammar and vocabulary. And below me, I'll be posting in the definitions, so if you can't see when we're going too fast, you can see them down there. And of course, over here on the side, I have the manga. So I'll be moving around and pointing out where we are so you can follow along. And where we were last time was here. It's Fuka's Mizuki has been revealed. It's her swimsuit she's been going on about. Everyone here is at the pool. Jumbo didn't really want to invite Ina and Fuka. He wanted to invite their more prettier older sister Asagi, but he got stuck with them instead because she was out on a trip. And so Fuka was going on about, like, oh, once you see me in a swimsuit, you're gonna forget all that stuff you said about me being a kid. And she's here. Are you like completely charmed by my sexiness? And yeah, they were. So first we have here is which means yeah. And then she's like which is like what? Nanda yo. This nanda is what, and then yo is emphasis. Yaru-jan, Fuka-chan. So yaru, to do, and jan is isn't it. So this is like way to go, you did it. Good for you. And then Fuka is her, and then chan is the suffix for people who are younger than you. He still doesn't think she's like an adult. Ah, you did it. Look at you. You're so sexy. And then this pashi is like a whip or a slap. And there's a goofa. She's like just blah. Ow. And then we have like na suge yo na. So this na here is just emphasis, and this is like the same na here. So it's like, huh? It is, isn't it? The suge is kind of short for sugoi, which is amazing, great, or wonderful. And then yo here is just another kind of emphasis. Yo is more just kind of vanilla, no flavor text emphasis, while na is a little bit more masculine form of emphasis. So yo na is just together way more emphasis. So it's like, huh? Isn't that amazing? Rippa na mon da. This rippa means splendid or elegant. This is a na adjective, so this na is linking it to mon, just like the same as mono, which means like a thing or an object, and then da is declarative. It's a splendid thing. And he said this a couple pages back, describing the pool. So it's like, oh, it's splendid. Now he's saying Fuka here is splendid. Next Jumbo is all like, rippa da, rippa na mon da. So this rippa na mon da is just copying what he says. This is like yes, and then rippa again, elegant, and da is declarative. So like, yeah, it's elegant. Such an elegant thing. Rippa, rippa, yuna. So rippa, again, that's splendid and elegant. And then you is to say, and then na makes that negative. So it's like, don't say that. Like, stop saying splendid. No. Then setsuhara is sexual harassment. And then oyaji right here is old guy. So sexual harassment, guys. Stop it. ウエストに肉がちょっと余ってるのがマニアックでいいよね。Waist is like the waist, like your waist. It's like an English word, which is why it's in katakana here. And then ni is showing like the direction or goal or to or for or at. And then niku is meat, but it can also mean like flesh, like your skin. And then ga is making that the subject. Flesh on the waist as for that. ちょっと is a little bit, and 余ってる is a teiru form of amaru, which is to remain, to be left over, or to be in excess. Maybe you see where this is going. And that is a godan do ending verb. So to first make that to its te form, that do changes to this tanetsu and a te. So amaru becomes amatte. And then you just add on iru at the end. But also right here, we're getting rid of that i because it's casual form. So amaru to amatteru, amatteru. And that is like you're doing that action or you're in that state of an action. You're having an excess amount of weight. So it's like a little bit extra meat on your waist. And then no is nominalizing this whole thing so we can make it the subject of the sentence. As for having a little bit too much fat on your waist, maniac is an English word, which again we have it in katakana like waist here. So this maniac is like a maniac, which they actually will use it too just for like an enthusiast, someone who's into that, someone who's into slightly fat people. And then dei is like being in that state, or it's good to be in that state. And then yo is emphasis, and then na is the same emphasis. So like from this yona, yona. Oh, I like girls who have a little bit too much fat on their waist, which is great. And then he gets what he deserves. Got this gan, which is a smack back or bonk. And then wah! And then he goes right in the pool for dopang, which is like a sudden impact with a splash. It's aba aba. Then the ha ha, he's out of breath. Then koe, kono honna koe. So koe is just like a short version of kawaii, which means scary or frightening. And kono is this, and ona is a woman. So he's finally calling her a woman instead of like a brat. So this woman, koe, so like, oh, she's so scary. And this little bitty here is korosuki ka. So koros is to kill, and ki is like the nature, disposition. Ka is making it into a question. Are you trying to kill me? Are you in that mood? Are you in that disposition? You're trying to kill me, huh? And he's like, dat, 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 dat. And then, oh snap. She puts it together. Ara? Moshikashite? So ara is like, oh. Moshikashite is like perhaps or probably. It's like, oh, is this the case? Is this a thing? And then we have this oyogemasen deshita. So oyogemasen is the potential negative mass form of oyogu, which is to swim. And to first make it potential, that godangu ending changes to geru. So oyogu becomes oyogeru, which means you can swim, but then we're making it negative so you cannot swim. And this is the negative mas stem. So even though she's making fun of him, she's still being polite about it. And let me see, all potential forms are ichiran verbs. So when we make that to its negative mas stem, you just chop off that ru and add on the masen. So oyagu becomes oyogeru, becomes oyogemasen. That's not being able to swim. And then deshita is the past form of des, so it's just like was. So it's like he isn't able to swim. It's like, hara, moshikashite, you can swim? Oh, ho, 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 ho. And so now she's gonna rub it in more. So Koiwai-san, which is this guy, Yotsuba's dad. So Koiwai is the name, and then san is suffix for Mr. It's like Mr. Koiwai. Jambo-san te Kaнаヅチnanja. So Jambo is this guy's name. If you forget, he's Jambo. And then san again is like a polite suffix, so Mr. Jumbo. So like she's still talking pretty politely, even though she's ribbing him. And then te is a casual quoting particle, so like about Jumbo-san. And then Kaнаヅチis a hammer, which means hopeless swimmer. You see this a lot in One Piece, like Kaнаヅチ, like they become a hammer, which means they can't swim. Because like, you know, if you have a hammer, if you throw a hammer in the pool, just so it's that kind of reasoning. And then nanja is what? Just adding emphasis. So it's like, what? Jumbo, he's a hammer. Ha 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 ha. Just rubbing it in. The Koiwa is like, it's fine. Kaнаヅチwa betsu ni warui koto de wa nai tomo. So this Kaнаヅチagain, the hammer. Was making that the topic, so as for this hammer, Betsuni is like, not really, and then Warui is bad, and then Koto is an event, so that's not really a bad thing. The Koto could be like an event or just a thing. And then this Dewa Nai together is not, am not. He thinks it's not a bad thing. And then to is the quoting particle with omo, to think. So it's like, I don't think it's a bad thing. So it's like, I don't think it's a particularly bad thing that he's a hammer. Like, it doesn't matter, it's fine. Then she's like, oh, no, don't. And this Zava. So the don here, she's shoving him, and the Saba is just like all the big splash. Push. And then here he's like, hee, screaming. It's like a shriek. And then she's like, ah, ha, 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 ha. Which is like, yeah, how you would react to that. But as far as how Jumbo and Koiwai respond to that, you'll have to wait for the next video, because this is it for this video. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Mata ne!